going to be making a basic cookies recipe. It's a very simple recipe that anyone can make, even small kids. And there's only 5 ingredients, and 2 of them are optional. This is the ingredients part. First, there is flour, which is 275 grams. Then we have butter, which is 225 grams. Then we have the sugar, 110 grams. These are the main ingredients we need. And then we have chocolate chips, which is 75 grams and is optional. And now we have the cinnamon, which is also optional. If you want to add it, 1 teaspoon. Now for the mixing part. First, we are going to add the softened butter. And then we are going to add, the 110 grams of sugar. And mix it well for 5 minutes. Now we have mixed it. We have mixed it for 5 minutes, and now we can slowly start adding the flour while mixing it. Now we start mixing it. And now we have mixed the flour with the butter and the sugar. Now we need to get messy and use our hands to make a cookie dough. And now we roll the dough into a ball. And now we flatten it out and place it on the tray. Now we keep continuing this for how many cookies we have. From the time we've been shaping these cookies, preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Now the cookies have been shapen and molded, and now we are just going to add chocolate chips, which is optional, but we are going to use chocolate chips in this video. And now we need to put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. It's finally ready. As you can see, while cooking it, the shapes have flattened out. But it's really still a yummy recipe with a yummy biscuit. It's wonderfully crispy and delicious. I hope you enjoy this video. See you soon!